Hello and welcome again to our YouTube channel. In today's video from the Photoshop series, we are going to see how to use the filters of the Photoshop, like wind filter, like motion blur filter, to make simple artistic effects that will make our pictures and graphics great and awesome. Let me go to Photoshop. Okay, we will embed one of our pictures here to see how to add this effect to it. We will select this one. We can extend it to our work frame, which is 1000 by 1000. As we know from before, that the size of the image is now converted to match the size of our layout, or our image we have designed from beginning. We started with 1000 by 1000, to be matching 1000 by 1000 regardless of the original size of the photo itself. Okay, now I will add one layer. And in this layer I will be adding using the pen tool to make a shape, a polygon. Okay, and I will extend my polygon. I have selected the white fill and the white stroke round, which is small, and I will go back like here and like here and like here. Okay, now we had a polygon filled with white color. I'm going to decrease its opacity, for example, to 40%. Okay, and then this polygon I'm going to add filter, blur, motion blur. It will be converted to smart object. Okay, and we added 150. You can see directly how the effect is coming now as a shadow. You can extend it maybe a little bit more, like 150. You see its wider effect now is spreading on the water, and simply okay. Now you can see that you had the effect as if the sun was there and making a reflection on the sea. We had extended our polygon to cover part of the rocks, so we can fill the water parts inside it. After that, we go to the eraser tool and we erase. So we rasterize our image, our layer. Okay, and then we erase the effect from our rocks. I'm making it rough erasing, but you can make it more details if you decrease the size of your, you see, I'm removing it. If you decrease the size of your eraser brush, you can decrease it from here. For example, this one is 50. I can go down to 20, for example. You can see that like this you can make more detailed clearing of the filter of this layer which we applied. Make sure that while you are making the deleting and the clearing, you are using or you are standing on the layers that you want to erase the effect from. Okay, then on the same layer, if I like to add the sun, for example, I will come to the brush tool. Okay, I'll select a bigger brush with soft rounds. Okay, and I will come to here, for example, and I will put at the top of my effect or glowing effect. I will add it here. You see that it's coming in black because we had here the top color is black. So I will cancel this effect. I will reverse the colors, will make white on the top, and I will come here and select it. So I'm having my sun coming and giving this great effect of reflection on the sea. That's a simple way to add some effect using the motion blur. I will try to make one more effect using the motion blur and the wind effect. We will start with a new. Okay, I will start custom 1000 by 1000. Okay, again one, and then I will fill it with the white color. We'll be playing a little with this effect. Now I will come to add a circle here. Okay, shift to make it perfectly round. Okay, its shape. Okay, and I need to drag it inside a little bit. Okay, but you can see that now I will give it some blue outside, 5 points. I can increase it so you can see the effect of the blur motion and the wind. I increase it to 15. Okay, and the fill, I will keep the fill empty. So now you have a lot of the tools that you can use. After that, I will use the line tool. Okay, I will start from here. I will make one line. This line is 15 points also. Okay, I will go down a little bit like this. Okay, and then I will add a little line crossing here, like this one. Okay, to make the base of our figure. It's making it free or easy, in an free and easy way and simple way will give it better effects. You can see this on my Twitter channel. I'm making some of these graphics to demonstrate some of my motivational tweets or personal development tweets, and it's having a great effect on the audience using some simple figures like this one. Okay, now we have our figure. Then I will come, I will select all my shapes, and then I right click and I merge the shapes. So I'm having one big shape now, and I'm going to duplicate it so we can play a little bit with it. So I will duplicate this layer. Okay, and then I will move it a little bit to the side. I'm moving it. Okay, I don't need this. I take it out. Okay, after that, to this figure I will apply some of the. We see how to apply the wind effect, for example. So filter, stylus, then wind. Yes, I'll convert it to smart object. You can see this one is the plus effect wind, this one is the effect of the wind, this one is the effect of the plus, and it's coming from right to left, and you can see it coming from left to right. He's giving you the effect on the screen. So I'm selecting it coming from the right, and I'll select plus. It's a harder effect of the winds a little bit, so I'll select this one plus. Okay, now you can see that your figure is shadowed a little bit. So I'll come and add, if you add, that's one information, if you add wind again, it will be adding wind or distorting the shape from the point you had stopped in. So this will be adding more, increasing the effect. You can see now, if I say okay, it will be adding to the same again. So I don't need addition, I need to add another effect. So I come to filter, blur, and motion blur. Okay, and this one is very big. I will be adding, for example, 20. Okay, and this is an angle 0. You can decrease. You can see the effect on the layout you are making, and you can see the effect here. If I make an angle, for example, 20, you can see it is coming like the direction of the wind is is inclined with an angle like this one. Okay, now that's, you know how to make it with your graphics. Okay, you can make one simple thing also to combine these two shapes together. I can come here to this layer, I will half it, make a selection like this one. Okay, and then I will, if you delete it, it say no, because it's the smart object is not directly editable. So I come to layer, rasterize, layer. Okay, and then I make delete, so this half is deleted. Okay, then Control D, and I need to select the other shape. Okay, and I'll be doing the same, and I'll be deleting the opposite half. Okay, you make a selection like this. If you need to make the cutting in the middle of the body, so you can, with your arrows, you can move it a little bit to this side. So you'll have this only deleted. Delete. Okay, same again. I need to rasterize this layer. So layer, rasterize layer. Okay, and then I delete it. Okay, then Control D to remove the selection, and then I can come with the move tool and combine these two shapes together. Okay. Okay, now you have seen that we have a figure with an effect. You can play with all these effects. If I come now and to this layer, okay, and I apply motion blur, you'll see the effect is different. It's a little bit hesitated without the wind effect. That's the motion blur. So it's it will be up to you. This will help you greatly when you are making some graphical demonstration of some tweets or that will be using on your website and so on. Thank you for following so far. I hope you had a wealth of information, and see you in the coming and next videos after you subscribe and like our videos. Thank you very much.